Okay, it's time to create the delete request. So previously we have created the put request, update, and this time we will create the delete request. And delete request is also same. What we need just post ID. Okay, and if no product is found, so you can console log over here. Post ID. So if no product is found, it will post not found. If not found, find index return -1. And if it is found, it will filter out rest of the items other than the deleted one. So I have increased some items 3 and 4 to make you understand. So this is the delete request. It will filter out, okay, and finally it will send a response. So go to the postman and create the delete request. It is almost same route. You can understand the route. App, this is the path. App API app add data. So you can follow the good naming convention, but for practice purpose we are doing it haphazardly. But finally, when we will run this request through live server, through live, like there will be a complete full stack MongoDB will be there, then we will organize everything in a nice way. So post data, this is post data excuse me, delete. So we only need post ID, nothing else. So delete it, post ID, an error occurred. Where's the error? Delete. Post ID. We will learn error handling also. Let's send once again. Yeah, so post on is deleted. So we have 3, 2, 3, and 4. You see, we have 4 items over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, but we are getting 3, 2, 3, and 4, 3 items among 4. So if I delete 2, we'll get 2. Yeah, you see 2. If I delete 3, we will get 1. And you can see the console log. Post ID equal to 3, post ID 2, post ID 1. This is very simple. Even though if you don't understand, I will make a clarification video. Don't hesitate to shoot comment in the comment box. So it will finally filter out. So this is basic JavaScript function, nothing else. Find index, but this will not happen like that way when we use MongoDB. So this is Next.js 15 by server routes, API routes. We'll connect to the MongoDB later to have a good user experience. Okay, thank you very much. So we have seen 3 API routes, just a test purpose. This is post, this is put, this is delete request, and we have created another get request. So we are now very familiar or acquainted with 4 requests. Now, this is the main HTTP request or verbs like get, put, delete, and post request. So we have another, but these are the main thing to run a CRUD operation, to run a full functional app. Okay, thank you very much. In the next tutorial we will do another thing. It will be a on-stop journey for Next.js 15. So if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay connected. And I have a tremendous course on Udemy, so you will get the things in the description box. If you wish, you can buy it. It will be a exciting course. It is an exciting course. You can buy it with huge discount. Thank you very much. See you soon.